Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're accessing all of your home learning. I hope you're doing well and enjoying your Zoom conferences and hopefully behaving for your parents. The reason for my video today is to refresh your memories about reading strategies. So I notice when you guys are reading, a lot of you, and you get to a difficult word or a word you don't recognise, often you fall back on the strategy which is to stop reading, and then often the meaning gets lost and you look up at the teacher and smile. And that basically means tell me the word. I'm hoping if I refresh your memories, you can apply some of these strategies at home and you won't need to do that. So if we just have a look at what the reading strategies are from your activities, first one is look at the picture. So you're reading along, not sure what the word, have a quick glance at the pictures or the diagrams on the page, and that could help you work it out. I think the most successful strategy for you guys seems to be chunking. Look for digraphs and trigraphs and blends, and even smaller words in bigger words, like the word together is made up of 3 small words, to, get and hurt. Try read on. So if the word's in the middle of the sentence, skip that word, read the rest of the sentence, and the meaning might become clear. Sometimes it helps to reread the whole sentence again. And once you've applied all of these 4 strategies, ask yourself, did it sound like the way I speak? And did everything look, sound, and feel right? And if you've done all of those things, there's a good chance you'll have worked out this word on your own. So let's go to today's big book. Today's big book is Lions and Tigers. I'll just go to the front cover. There it is there. I'm going to read a little bit of this book to you, and I'll pretend I don't know a few words, and I'll show you how to do a few of these strategies. Okay, so Lions and Tigers. Lions and tigers are big wild cats. They are different, but they are both cats. How are lions and tigers the same? And how are they different? Here is the face of a lion and the face of a tiger. Look closely at the photos. What can you see? Lions have golden brown fur. Older male lions have something brown manes of fur. Okay, so I tried read on, didn't really work. I'm going to look at the picture. Still not working. So I'm going to go to chunking. If I look at this word, if I was just to sort of thrash out the sounds of that word, it's j. So the chunking seemed to work best. Let's reread the whole sentence now. Lions have golden brown fur. Older male lions have large brown manes of fur. Everything looks, sounds and feels right. It makes sense. So I'll read on. Female lions are smaller and have no mane. Tiger fur is marked with thick black stripes. Tigers can grow bigger than lions. Family life. Lions are the only cats that live in something. I'll probably go to chunky again here. So I would do groups. So it's going to be groups. And their group's called a pride. A group of lions is called a pride of lions. Tigers mostly live alone. They only get together for a few weeks to breed. Lion cubs. A lioness gives birth to 2 to 5 cubs. The cubs have light spots on their fur. A female tiger gives birth to 3 or 4 cubs. Tiger cubs are born with... Now, if I didn't know this word, I would try look at the picture. I'm looking at the tiger cubs, and looking at them, they have stripes like the mother. I can go to chunking now, and stripes, definitely stripes. So I'll read the whole sentence again. Tiger cubs are born with stripes. Everything makes sense. The cubs stay with their mother until they are 2 years old. Lions live in open grasslands where there are few trees. This is known as the savanna. Tigers prefer to live in forests and something where there are many trees. Well, the first word's forest, and if I look at the picture, it looks a bit like a jungle. Now I can look at the word in chunk, and I've got jungles. I like to do that in a big hit. Okay, let's keep going. Lions hunt and eat animals. They mainly eat large animals such as something, zebra, buffalo, and deer. Now these are all hoofed animals, zebra, buffalo and deer. And I'm going to try to chunk this word, so if you watch while I cover it, so if I look at just the first 3 letters, I'm seeing a smaller word. I'm seeing ant there, and then it's L, and ope. So I think it's an antelope, which is like a small gazelle, small deer. I'll read it all again. They mainly eat large animals such as antelope, zebra, buffalo, and deer. Tigers hunt and eat large animals too. They will also eat smaller animals such as fish, birds, and lizards. And that's the end of the book. I hope that was helpful, and I hope that you can try to use a few of these strategies to help you work out difficult or unknown words. Have a good week, and you'll see another video from me on Friday to give you some tips for multiple choice comprehension. Bye.